Good day, my name is Amos of Tenkebe Forex, and today is the 26th of the 1st, 2024. It's a recap on the video I made 2 days ago, the part 2 of video I made 2 days ago on euro dollar, looking for long trade. Let me share my screen quickly so that I show you what I mean. So I share my screen quickly so that I can dive into it to show you what I mean. So bear with me. So if you recall, this is what I told you last 2 days ago, that we're looking for a long trade upon this down move range, and now move down again, another range here, and the momentum up. I'm expecting this guy to hold on this rectangle box, but on 15 minutes, we want to see the continuation of this high move by this level here, respect. And we're expecting the market to be bouncing off and then move upward here. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. This doesn't happen. And I'll show you what happened and what is happening currently. So here is it. Here's what is happening right now. Currently, this is what is happening. I just took the trade. This is the level we're looking for before, where the market was in the range, right? We have this line there, and this market moved with momentum up. We have this our rectangle box here. We were expecting the market to move up, return here, and then continue upward. But unfortunately, we have news. Then the market moved downward. You can see the full momentum. And in the past, this level has been established. This level has been established. So the market came there. Let me clean it up a little bit. Right. So the market returned to that level because it's established in the past. The market returned to that level, respected this level. And since then, for 3 candles now, which is like a day, the market remain in this area, as you can see, right? The market remains in that area. And I will remove this line because it's no longer relevant, right? And I will switch to 15 minutes so that we can see a clear screen using one. I'll use just one screen like this. So now on 4 hours, as you can see, this level is respected. Again and again, if you remember, we're looking for where market stall in the past, and market return to that level, and exactly what it's doing here, and market return to this level, and it's respecting this level. And then the band is now 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just like 1.5 days. As I said before, you can wait for 1.5 days before you see a trade. As you can see, it's a live trade. I'm in the trade right now, as you can see right here. And I decided to take the trade because I've waited all through yesterday. And then when there's news and market, move downward to do whatever it wants to do. So I just waited patiently. And now I saw this level this morning. Again, similar thing we saw on 4 hours. This is 15 minutes now, if you see at the top left. It break out and it moved back again with a little bit of momentum. And it's doing this pullback, although we're looking for double bottom. In this kind of momentum, I don't need to wait too much because I know what I'm doing. I know how to read the market. So it's overdue. So I saw this pullback, which is engulfing. This is an engulfing one here. Let me clean it up and explain a little bit. Engulfing candle, right? So let me zoom in it. This is an engulfing candle, engulfing candle. So we can see that this guy engulf these two and it closed above, right? So when you do the pullback, I took the trade right here. So this is what is currently happening right now, and it's in the live trade. And I said, let me just explain and then do the second video for you guys to see, and then see how it goes. And there will be a last update on this trade anyway. So thanks for watching again. And as I said, if there's anything you want me to improve on, please do let me know, and I will try my best to do that. Thanks.